Hi, Henk Akkermans here, Supply Chain Dynamics Chapter 8, Clip 7, Shorter Hiring Delays. Would it matter if you could hire your designers sooner, be quicker in the ramp-up? Well, let's see what that would do. First we run the base case and look at the number of aircraft delivered, where it's nice to see that although you're building up all these development and tooling many years, still not a single plane has been delivered. It takes all the way towards the end of the simulation, and then the output begins. Still no planes there at one, and there we go. Yes, okay. So that's the structure of the base case. After 240 months, this is what you get. We have in the model the assumption of a certain hiring delay here, the design capacity adjustment delay. And that's now standard at 6 months. It's also up here. Suppose that we would make that shorter, say to 4 months. Would it make a substantial difference, you could ask? Well, it would mean that you hire your capacity sooner and that you also scale it down sooner, which could be interesting from a cost perspective. It's not automatically obvious that this would be the biggest difference. There you go with your, and there's a slight increase. What if we would make it even quicker? Would that make a lot of difference? So just after 2 months, well, that's really hiring it on and off the clock. That's really optimistic that would be feasible. Again, a very modest difference. Let's look at some of the other graphs. Of course, the development man years per year are not all that significant. The detailed design quality, though, because you ramp up sooner, is up to speed sooner. And as a result of that, you can start manufacturing sooner. So there is a significance here. Of course, on a 20-year scale, it's not all that big, but that's certainly something worth considering. So there is some benefit. There is not a clear cost benefit, but there could be a quality benefit. But this is not going to be the big lever. By the way, this is true for detailed engineering and for basic engineering, so the same delay. So this is not going to be it, but it was worth checking out, and we did.